Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to log out your Twitter account. So as you know, this is not very easy step, as like other websites and applications we can easily log out, but for the Twitter there is something different. So now we are going to show you how to delete your account. Simply click on your Twitter account profile. Now here you can see there are multiple options, but we will click on setting and privacy. So in the setting and privacy tab you can see all the options are here, but we will click on your account. So simply you can see there are many options. So now what we need to do, just click on account information. So when you open the account information, you can here see the red button logout. So when you press on the logout here, if you click on the logout, your account will be logout. So in this way you can simply log out of your Twitter account.